Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, man, I worked too hard to be this broke? You're not lazy, you're just playing the wrong money game. And in 2025, the rules have changed. You don't need a fancy degree or startup cash to make money anymore. What you need is the right side hustle mindset. So today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful side hustles you can start with $0 right now that can actually build you real income this year. Let's go. Number A, freelancing your skills. You might think, but I don't have a skill. Wrong. Everyone's good at something. Maybe you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or even organize people's calendars. Go to websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and offer what you're already doing in your daily life as a service. Here's the trick. Start small, charge fair, and over-deliver. People don't buy degrees, they buy results. Number A, content repurposing and short-form editing. Short-form content is blowing up right now. TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Reels and creators are desperate for editors who can turn long videos into viral clips. You don't need paid software. Tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve are free. Learn the basics in one weekend, DM creators with samples, and you can start earning $200, $500 a month per client. In 2025, attention is the new currency, and if you can help people grow online, you'll never run out of clients. #3 print-on-demand stores. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy let you upload t-shirt or mug designs for free. You don't need inventory, shipping, or a website. The platform handles everything. You earn money every time someone buys your design. It's a creative side hustle that pays, and all you need is your imagination and an internet connection. Why? Digital product sales. Think about all the things you know: notes, templates, guides, planners, or ebooks. You can turn that knowledge into income on Gumroad or Etsy. Create something once, sell it forever. People spend thousands every month on information that saves them time. And in 2025, time is more valuable than money. Number way, affiliate marketing without a website. Forget the old school way. You can start free using TikTok or Instagram. Pick a niche: fitness, finance, motivation, and recommend products you already use. Sign up for free programs like Amazon Associates or Impact Radius. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, no problem. Here's the truth. You don't need to wait for a perfect time. The internet is the opportunity. The difference between being broke and being free in 2025 won't be luck. It'll be execution. So start small, stay consistent, and stack momentum. Because every great success story starts with one bold decision to just begin. If this video fired you up, hit that subscribe button. Drop A in the comments, and let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.